Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Afsana and this video is for my Calculus 2 Flipgrid video. And in this video, I'm going to explain partial derivatives for functions of two variables. And this is the example. In this example, how we find the derivative of this function? Because usually we saw single variables in functions, but in calculus we also learn multivariables, and this function has two variables. In order to find the derivative of this kind of functions, we use partial derivative. Now let's look at the representation. In ordinary functions, we find the derivative as df over dx, and of course we find the derivative. And for partial derivatives, we use special representation. You can also call it partial. From this representation, you can understand that we find the derivative with respect to each variable. Now let's go back to functions. From this function, in order to find the partial derivative, we find the derivative with respect to one variable, and we think the other variable as constant. In order to find the derivative of this function with respect to x, we write 14x minus 3x squared. As I said, we find a derivative only thinking that x is variable. So y4 stays the same. And plus 20x cubed, again y stays the same. Y squared, y cubed. Now let's find the derivative of function with respect to y. So the derivative of a constant is 0. 7x squared is a constant, so the derivative is 0. Minus x stays the same, x cubed, and we find the derivative of y, 4y cubed, plus 5x4 stays the same, and the derivative of y is 3y squared. That's it for the learning. Now it is practice time for you. This is the function, and I'm gonna wait for the answers in the comments. So see you, bye bye.
Wow, I learned a lot.